Throwing petals like, do you love me or not? Head is spinning and it don't know when to stop. Cause you said forever, babe, did you mean it or not? Hold on, hold on. You let me your rip, babe, but I still the message.
Pugot. Mag-start na kata. Yes, mana na ang mga outfit niyan. Na kami mag-stretching. Tapos na mag-stretching, tapos na mag-breakfast. Let's go. Right, start na. Start sa hike. Ang tent para sa QR code sa day pass. 9:07 nag-start ng hike.
So we're going to the first lake.
We're going to the first lake. So remember, 3 lakes today. Kaya ng vlog mo.
Adi. Di pa.
May kasama pala akong vlogger dito, guys.
Collab.
Collab daw ang tawagan.
Finally, ma'am. Na-meet na
Ay,
kita sa
oo,
first
ma'am. Finally. Good morning.
Hello.
Finally, ma'am, nag-meet na kita in person. The weather is cloudy. Malamig, but it's okay.
Here we go.
Because while hiking, may mababa temperature kaya mag-iinit naman. Good morning. So we're hoping na by the time makarating kami sa mga lakes, we're hoping na sunny na siya para sa ating magandang photo shoot pictures. I think I'm against the light.
Ang first guest niyo for today.
Oh yeah, she's our guest for today because dayo siya, may dayo tayo. From New Zealand.
Fresh from New Zealand.
Yes. Maganda mag-hike kapag ka maaga pa kasi kaunti yung tao. Hindi nakakahiya mag-video. But
Nice.
normally pag mga 9 o'clock, 9 a.m.
2 hours hike.
Yes, it is 2-hour hike. So normally pag 9 a.m. ng hike, madaming tao na yan. But the weather is cloudy. Medyo umulan nga kanina. Umambon kanina kaya siguro ang iba nag-cancel.
English.
Okay, so malapit na tayong dumating sa ating first lake. Again, sa sinasabi ko kanina, kaya kaunti ang tao dahil umambon kanina umaga, cloudy. Kaya naswertihan kami at nakakuha kami ng pass. Now this is maliyaw na nato bisita. This is the first lake of Joffre Lakes, okay? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? After 3 minutes lang, not 5 minutes. After 3 minutes galing doon sa entrance, look what we have here.
Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth.
So my sister is amazed with the lake. Pero ang lake nito ay maganda na. Maganda siya, look. Maganda siya, pero wait, there's more. Second lake and third lake, sobrang ganda. Mas maganda pa dito.
But it's blue, guys. It's sky blue. Oh my God, thanks God. I'm here.
Hello, grabe niya. Grabe niya, pasalamat. I think na-underestimate niya yung I think na-underestimate niya yung Joffre Lake. Siguro imagination niya na, hindi siguro yung ganun kaganda, blah blah blah. Pero ngayon, tinan mo, mangiyak-ngiyak siya! May patingki-thank you Lord pa siya!
Yung sa susunod na lake na naman.
Okay, so,
Till next,
3 minutes hike from the entrance. Ito na yon, first lake done.
Magbay na muna ako.
We're gonna continue our walk na para sa ating second lake.
Papipicture pa siya. Ikaw man ang photo.
Yan.
Naging wala, no?
Yes.
Tapos